Hi folks, Sean from Just Chevy Trucks here, checking out the infamous orange pumpkin panty dropper truck. This truck has a 5.3 engine in it with only 129,000 miles. Let's check out the lime green interior trim. Alright. Let's get in here, check it out. 128,712. Our oil pressure gauge is not working. We are at the temperature, but we do have an aftermarket gauge we put on there. Showing about 40 pounds of pressure, right at idle, perfect. Let's give her a couple revs, hear how she sounds. Very responsive 5.3 engine, folks. This could be the next engine for your LS swap. Muscle car, off-road buggy, hot rod, Mustang, whatever you may need. Give us a call here at Just Chevy Trucks. Our telephone number is 207-457-5500. Thank you. Have a nice day.